Greetings friends, welcome. Today we're looking at creating a production build with our SnowPack 3 custom element. I did a video on SnowPack 3 the other day, worth checking that out if you're interested in how this one was put together. But we're building on that now and looking to release this to NPM. So currently, SnowPack 3 is about fast unbundled development. Making changes and seeing them quickly. But once you've completed that, you still then want to push this out with a production build. So we're using TypeScript here at the moment. I don't want to push that to NPM. I want to push a JavaScript file. So let's give it a go. If I look at my package.json, I've updated this to 22, so I've got a new version. When I push it up, I probably want it to be the JS file in there, and hopefully that's all I need to do. I don't really need a browsers list in here, but what I should be able to do is just run SnowPack build, and this should create a build folder for us here, and it's transpiled our TypeScript into JavaScript, which is cool. Now we're doing npm less, we're doing package streaming, and it hasn't bundled that in, which is fine. I think you can specify bundle in your config, but we haven't. So this should be usable. If I push it up to npm, it should be usable by another package, and I guess we'll give that a try. So if I go into that build folder and do an npm publish, then let's push that up, and the test would be, can we now use this in a different package? So if I go into dev and make a folder scroll test, and we do an npm init, and then try and install our package. So npm install ScrollToTop web component. Should be good. We should get 0322. Yep, so it's got our latest version there. Alright, so I wanna use this. I wanna create a little project here to use this. So let's have an index HTML, and what are we gonna have? We're gonna pull in our module, and we'll create a module to put that in. It should be a module. It's an ES build, so I'm thinking it's gonna be a module. And now this button does scroll up when you've got a long page. So if I just create a div here, that's quite big. Then that should be good there. And if we create just a main.js, really, because it's a module, I should just be able to pull it in. I don't know. I'm not quite sure on the syntax there. I know I'd want to do this. So let's leave it like that. So if I just open this with live server, and then scroll down, it didn't appear, which I guess is failed to resolve module specifier scroll to top. yeah, you know, what are we using here? What are we? Do we need to bundle it? I mean, I'm doing an import here. You know, would I now need to use parcel? If I'm going to use parcel, then I've got to have a browsers list. Because it's a custom element, and that has got to be for a recent build. So let's do parcel. Nah. Alright, that's just a problem in there. Parcel? Yeah. So parcel isn't happy pulling in from a CDN. Yeah, I'd almost like it to bundle it in, but at the same time I wouldn't like it to do that. So in our test, you know, I would think if I did a module and literally went into node modules and scroll to top, you know, that should definitely work. If I open this now with live server, it still doesn't work. No errors. There is one major omission though. I haven't actually put the web component on here. So let's do that. Oh, he wraps that for me. Okay. Alright, with that on there now. Okay, it's working. It is working. You can see it appearing there, and on the clock it smooth scrolls back up. So it's definitely usable. If you're using it in an npm environment, though, I'm not so sure because of that that CDN import is still specified. I don't know. Anyway, it is on npm now, and it's usable as a module in packages. So I guess that's kind of a win, and you certainly need to look into it more, but that is part of the process. More of these to come, I think, on SnowPack. Thanks very much for watching. If you like to give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. If not, don't forget to click that subscribe below, and catch you next time. Bye.